Good evening, everyone. We are back again with another, we've finished another round of anxiety counseling workshop, and we have our set of participants here with us who are here to share their key learnings, their takeaways, and their feedback about the entire workshop. Who would like to go first?
I'll go.
Jayashri, yes, thank you.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I am Jayashri. I'm from Hyderabad and I'm a rehabilitation psychologist. So I've just completed anxiety counseling course. So I feel it's really effective. The kind of techniques that we have learned, everything has been very insightful. So being a psychologist, certain techniques that I was not aware of, I was able to learn from this. And the Divya ma'am, who has coordinated and taken up the course, has taught us really well, and I feel like very insightful. And the practice sessions that we had throughout all the 4 days were very helpful because whatever we learned in theory and whatever we learned just by seeing somebody else do it is very different compared to what we learn by trying it on ourselves. So I think we got an opportunity to do that. So very grateful for that. And using metaphors is something that I used to do in a different way in my therapy sessions. But here, how using hypnosis and including it in the metaphor technique is something I found wonderful. Like I'm just waiting to use it on my clients and get their feedback. So thank you so much, Divya ma'am, and everybody here who helped me learn this through this 4 days. Thank you.
So, hi everyone, my name is Arvina and I'm currently a MA Psychology student from IGNOU. I enrolled for the anxiety counseling workshop, and coming to my key learnings, I had a fantastic experience with this organization. The workshop was so well structured, informative, and engaging at the same time that I was able to gain a valuable insight and knowledge that I can even apply it in my personal and professional life, of course. So also one more a key takeaway from the workshop was the practical and actionable nature of the content. The trainer, of course, Divya ma'am, was very knowledgeable and experienced, and she delivered the material in a way that made it so easy to understand and to apply it in real life situations. Thank you so much for this wonderful experience.
Thank you, Arpina. Okay, and who would like to go next?
I'll go.
Yes, Deepthi.
Hi everyone, my name is Deepthi. I'm currently pursuing my master's in psychology and I'm from Andhra Pradesh. And I took this anxiety counseling course. In this course, I learned what real counseling is because I only learned theories. I never known what is the counseling is and how it applied to clients and what are the needs of the clients that we have to address, how to find the triggers and how to deal with them in a structured manner. And that's what I've learned in this course. And this course was an eye-opener for me because I also had the demonstration. Divya ma'am explained us about all the therapies. I was been a subject while explaining to that course. In this course, you will learn as well as you will go through a self-healing process because in this course, mostly we will practice with each other while that learning the things as well as we'll also go through the healing process. So that's what I really liked about it. Because when you are in the client position, you will be able to know how they are feeling also. So that's what the interesting thing in this course.
All right, Deepthi, thank you. Thank you so much.
I'll go now.
Yes, Swapna. Sure.
So hello everyone. My name is Swapna Shetty. I'm from Pune. I am a life coach, a hypnotherapist, tarot reader. I do numerology and healing as well. I attended the anxiety counseling course of ICHARS because I had a lot of clients who specifically have anxiety issues. And till now, I used to redirect them to, other therapists, other counselors. But since I have a rapport with them, most of them would, usually ask me, can you do it? And I didn't want to do it unless I was, trained for it. This entire process was very enlightening. Divya ma'am makes, all the complex processes, she makes it very easy. And one thing she has in abundance is lot of patience. So unless your doubts are cleared, she will not let you go. and she will stay as well. I am now also planning to do the relationship course after speaking to her. In this course, the techniques and the reasoning behind it was also, explained to us. The whole process was taught in different techniques, sort of, but the entire structuring of how to go about was also taught well. So, taking a client after this session can be done immediately. So it is a very well practiced course wherein theory is explained, techniques are explained, but she has made sure that we get enough practice as well. So thank you so much, Divya ma'am. It was wonderful learning with you.
Thank you. Thank you, Swapna. Thank you so much. Who would like to go next?
May I?
Yes, Chahak.
Hello, everybody. I am Chahat, and I'm presently pursuing my master's in psychology. And I just completed my pros anxiety counseling workshop. And until now, all I knew was theory, and I was really scared as to when I'll start practicing what to do, how to go about the sessions. But post this workshop, I have a framework in my head how to go about it. There are so many new techniques that I learned. There is so much clarity that I have in my mind now. And thank you to Divya ma'am for being so patient, warm throughout. And there's so much knowledge that she has to impart, and she gives it to all her students. And I'm lucky to learn from her. And I look forward to signing up for more courses and learning much more under her guidance. So thank you so much. And I just hope that my journey continues with ICHARS and I get to learn new things.
Thank you. Thank you, Chahat. And who else? Uma? Yes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Uma Maheshwari. I'm a psychological counselor and therapist. I have my own practice in Navi Mumbai, Panvel, in the name of Phoenix Psychological Services. So currently, I finished pros anxiety counseling workshop with ICHARS. So already I'm a part of ICHARS for the past 2 years, and I'm doing other courses, CHCP courses with them. So, but usually as the psychologists and all, they used to practice with the clients, and they used to get the issues from the clients, and they used to diagnose the issues themselves. But with the structure and processes, which I have learned from this course, this helps to make the client themselves identify the issue, and also where they are held up. So it is easy for them to identify their own issues. So it is easy for them, for us to guide them also throughout the process. So the processes and techniques which are used in this session is really wonderful, and it is very simple and easy to understand. And it is really very useful for, and I'm sure that it will be very useful for the clients. Like a metaphor, a transformational metaphor, release metaphor, abstract metaphor. When we were doing with our own members, it was really interesting, and we were able to find out how it is useful for us to come out with the issues and all. So it was really wonderful session, and having Divya as the trainer, she was really wonderful, explaining each and every concept, and also moving through the process. And she also explained all the doubts patiently, especially. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Uma.
So
Okay.
that leaves me.
All right. Yes, Kiranji.
Okay, always a fan of ICHARS courses. For me, this was a repeat of the anxiety counseling course with Divya. Divya took us through the whole process very, very smoothly and nicely, explaining everything very well. And of course, as everybody has said, the practice session with each other is always very good. My key takeaway from this session today was that Again, getting the client to tell of their presenting problem and their wish statement. Every trainer has their own unique way of explaining it. And of course, with Divya today, we learned it in a very nice manner, and I really like that. Thank you.
Thank you, Kiranji. So that brings us to the end of this workshop. And those of you who are watching us online right now, if you are interested to enroll into our pros anxiety counseling workshop or any other workshops that we have, please log into www.ichars.com or www.ichars.com. All right. And there's also a number in the website that you can call us, and we'll be more than happy to answer all your queries. Thank you.